Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to track your Kakobuy parcel. Let's begin. Now the first thing that you need to do is go to the official website and log in into your account using your email or username. Now hover to the top right corner where you can see your profile icon and go to the order list. Look for the specific order you want to track. If it's already shipped, you'll see a button that says Track Package or View Logistics. Now, you can also copy your tracking number, for example, this one. And then you can simply go to websites that allows you to track your package. Okay, for example, you can go to 17track.net or parcelsapp.com. Now, I need you to type in the order package number or the tracking number and click the track. Okay, you'd be able to see that and you can use all of these options. And then you can also head over to the global package tracking, enter the tracking number and click the track package. And basically that's how you track your Kakobuy parcel. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.